born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your Friday again, the seer. Today guys, I'm coming up with another one you might not ever heard of before. Maybe probably you've heard of it before, but this I'm going to teach you is something that I myself speaking right now is a witness to it. And I want you to try it. Don't forget to come back and give me your testimony, because I will assure you, you will come back and give me testimony for this, because you see this, anybody that is going to see this is not by mistake or by chance. It's as a result of a prayer answered. Okay guys, I'm teaching you today the power of your voice. Yes, how you can use your voice, the tricks I normally use to use my voice to manifest for me. Remember, all religion makes us to understand, both the traditional religion, the Islam religion, the Christian religion, makes us to understand that there's power in our voice, there's power in your tongue. But have they teach you how to activate that power, how to make use of that power? That is what I'm going to teach you today. They will tell you to have faith. Have they teach you how to have faith? Leave faith aside. This has nothing to do with faith. That I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to teach you how you can use your voice to manifest anything that you want. Yes, and this is your first time of visiting my channel. This is the Seer. Do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important videos from me, so that you will not miss other important video from me. And if you find this helpful at the long run, do well to hit that subscription, do well to hit that like button, so that you can at least that appreciate me. And anything you don't understand, ask question, I will definitely get back to you. And mind you, don't skip any part of this video so that you might not miss an important step. So don't allow the devil to use you to skip any part of this video. And if you want to be the part of the big family, do well to let me know in the comment section. I will add you to my WhatsApp group for free. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, just comment I'm interested in joining your WhatsApp group. I will add you for free. I will send you the link. I will add to so that you can join the WhatsApp group. I'm going to teach you today how you can use your voice to manipulate your brain, your mind, your inner power, your spirit to work for you. Yes, when you enter, you pray, your voice go outside, right? I'm going to teach you today how you can use your voice to tell yourself what you want, so that can manifest fast. And this secret I'm teaching you is one huge secret that you'll find very, very helpful. You don't need ingredients for it. All you need for it is just your voice. You need an earphone. Yes, you need to get earphone. That's the earphone, or you get Bluetooth, which is perfect. You can get Bluetooth that you can use to cover your ear, which is very, very perfect than earpiece, because earpiece has to do with wire. So that's what you are going to get for this particular one. Okay, and this is it. I am a living witness to it. This and it work very fast. And it work like magic. Do this continuously for just 21 days. Do this continuously for just 21 days. Let me see, 1 month. You will definitely see how things will change. You definitely see how it will change. And mind you, I would like to drop a secret for you. Now, this is what you are going to do, okay? On a good day, on a good day, you know you are happy. A day you are happy, not a day you are sad. On a good day, you know that you are happy, as in you are not sad. You should not do the day you are sad. Do the day you know that you are happy, okay? Before do the day you are happy. This is what you are going to do. Get your phone. Yes, get your phone. As you are listening to this now, I believe that you have an Android phone you can use, okay? So get your phone. After you have gotten your phone, record your voice. Before then, write it down. Try write out what you want. Write it out in a past tense. Don't write it in a present tense. For example, I want to get married. I will write, I'm happy now that I am so happy that I am married with the love of my life, the man that loves me so much. You write it down. Then, if it is money you want, you say, I'm so happy and grateful that money comes to me in increasing quantity through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantity through multiple sources on a continuous basis. Listen, do you understand? Put this affirmation. If it is if it is promotion you want, you say, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have gotten my promotion and I am in charge. I'm so happy and grateful now that I've gotten my promotion and I'm in charge. You keep repeating it. You just write it out. Then After you, anything at all you want, if it is something you want to break out from, if it is your husband that always make you angry, or maybe your husband always follow different men, now you can say, I'm so happy and grateful now that my husband sees only me and me alone. I'm so happy and grateful now that my husband see only me and me alone. I'm so happy and grateful now that my husband only see me and me alone, and other women are smellful, other women are nothing to him. I'm so happy and grateful now that my husband have stopped cheating. I'm so happy and grateful now that my husband has stopped cheating. So speak those words you want, okay? Anything at all you want. Then after you have speak, make affirmation. Like the one me I make use of now as a spiritual. I say I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm able to satisfy and solve all the problem of my client. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm able to satisfy and solve all the problem of anybody that comes my way. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm able to satisfy and solve all the problem of everybody that comes my way, as an affirmation. Okay, now after you have written it out how you want it to be, edit just in the example I give you, then get your phone. Okay, that one you have put down, get your phone there, put your phone on record, go to your sad record and record this. If it is money, I'm so happy and grateful now that money come to me in increasing quantity through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I'm so happy and grateful. Now I'm recording, right? I'm recording with my phone, so you will record everything you want with your phone now. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantity through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantity through multiple sources on a continuous basis. So after you have recorded this, remember, it can be anything. I'm just giving you an example. It can be everything you want, but do it in an example that it has happened. Okay? After you have done recording, then save it. You know the name you are going to save it. Anything you know you can remember. So if you have recorded multiple, so you know the name you are going to save it with. So depending on what you want, like if you are going to sleep, if it is financial distance, anytime you are going to sleep, then you put on your earpiece or your Bluetooth. Okay, after you put it on, play it and put it on repeat. Let it keep repeating. You'll be hearing your own voice. I'm so happy and grateful now money come to me in increased quality through multiple sources. Or I'm so happy and grateful now my husband cheat on me no more. I'm so happy and grateful now that I've gotten my whatever it is you've recorded. Okay, so listen to it when you are going to bed. Just be playing it. Let it continue repeating in your ear. Yes, let it continue repeating on here. Just keep playing it as you fall asleep. Let it be the last thing you hear. The next day repeat the same thing. The next day repeat the same thing. Do this for 21 to. You must see changes. No matter what it is, you must see changes. For you to see the power of your voice, okay? You must see changes. As he's going to sleep and you're listening to it, your subconscious mind will put, your spirit will make this work hard for you. Guys, try this and get back to me. This is something I'm guaranteed. By special grace of Almighty God, this work for you. Do it, come back and testify and tell me what you get. Yes, I want you to do it. Come back and testify and tell me what you get, okay? See you guys in the next video. The Seer cares. Love you. Whatever you think whatever you think about this, let me know in the comment section. I will let you know. Any question, let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you within 5 hours. See you guys in the next video.